Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transcribe audio to text Google Translate. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Google Translate app. Now once you open it, here you'll be seeing something like this on the screen. Now in order to transcribe audio to text, what you need to do is tap on this microphone right here. Before that, select the language that you want to transcribe it to as well. Now in order to transcribe, all you gotta do is tap on this microphone icon, and now as you can see on the screen, what I'm telling you is being tracked on the screen, right? And that's basically how you can use the transcribe audio to text. Now all you gotta do is tap on stop right here, and you can see the text also has been converted into the selected language as well. And that's basically how you can use transcribe audio to text. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.